Ria was a happy little girl who loved to play in the park near her home. Every evening, she went there with her red ball. One sunny day, Ria was playing when her ball rolled far away. As she ran to get it, a man she had never seen before smiled at her.
Hello, little girl. I have lots of chocolates. Do you want some? Come with me.
No.
Ria stopped. She remembered what her mama had told her. Never talk to strangers.
It was scary.
You did the right thing, Ria. I'm so proud of you.
Moral of the story: never talk to strangers. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel to keep learning.